I think that my experience at Saginaw Valley was really useful in graduate school when it came to feeling like I belonged in grad school. Saginaw Valley is really where I learned to read papers, where I learned to ask scientific questions, to challenge assumptions in those papers, and to just really get that scientific mindset started. Various people that I felt like were sort of looking out for me in a way. Dr. Deborah Huntley. She was just great at instruction, so she taught physical chemistry, and I think maybe it was also the subject too, because I took the course and was just immediately in love with the course because it has so much math and so much chemistry, so I was just really happy about that. When she noticed that I was really enjoying the coursework, she would give me harder problems at the end. And that enthusiasm really came through and rubbed off on the students like myself. Because they were so involved in undergraduate research, I was able to really see how things could progress into grad school and even beyond. It was a place where I received a lot of great mentorship, and it was a very important time in my life where I was able to really find my path.